When you open the barn door, on either side it's the same thing. To the bottom there is a torque screw that you'll need to remove. And then to the top there will be another torque screw. After this screw is removed, what holds the mirror in place is locators, and these can get partially stuck. Now, using a plastic tool, you don't want to use a flat metal screwdriver. You want to get in between the tail light and gently just apply a little bit of pressure so you can pull the tail light out. That's a locator over there. You can see down there. And once that comes off, it should click out. And then all you'll need to do is to unplug by pressing onto this section over here of the plug. And this is how you remove the tail light for the Berlingo and Peugeot Partner. To replace the bulbs, there are 4 tabs on the bulb carrier that you'll need to pull out. Don't pull out too much, as you can break these tabs, just enough to detach the bulb carrier. And then once you remove all 4 of these, you will pull the bulb carrier out, and then to change the bulb, push it in, turn it to the left or anti-clockwise, replace the bulb, and to refit, push it in and turn it to the right or clockwise, and that's how you remove the bulbs, and then refit the bulb carrier, and then you can refit the tail light as well. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.